Okay, now this is as complete as what I can to get it to the train show. I don't know if I'm able to do that this year because I was informed they don't have any space, but nevertheless, excuse me for doing that. Okay, this is your cold blast pipe, which goes into the stoves. Okay, and remember when I said about will the structure support its own weight? Something like this? No, it won't. Now this is designed to come apart. Okay, so this is blowing engine house number 1. And so this goes over here into the cast house of the Lena furnace. And now I added this conveyor which goes over here. This is a made of a 2x4. I ripped it so it's 1 inch square. And then that goes over into here. Hopefully you can see that. And that delivers the coke from the coke ovens, okay? And of course, for a little humorous thing there, I added a dead tree, but really, is it dead? No, because if you look right here, it has one branch that's still alive. I have one of those trees like that in my yard, and every time I cut it down, a new stump grows a new shoot, and I end up cutting the thing down again 5 years later, but that's another matter. So you can see this over here. This is the guard shack. Going back over here to the blowing engine house. This is the weldment building that contains the locker rooms and the showers and the first aid department, anything the employees need. Okay. And now we're going to go back over here. Some of these you've seen before. This is the current location of the boiler house power plant. It'll probably be right there. This is the conversion department with the 6 open hearth furnaces. These are my replicas, my attempted replicas of ingot molds lined up right along there. And then right over here, this is the teaming department. Okay, that's where the steel is poured into service ladles. Here is the open hearth furnaces, which I'm going to tomorrow see if this lights up again. And then these are a view of the Bessemer Converters. Yeah, it's supposed to represent the flame and the smoke that comes out. Okay. And this is the blooming department. Right through here. And in the back over there where the stacks are, that's the combination ingot stripping and heat soaking pit. Here's the rebuilt shipping department, which is right connected to the rolling mill. This is where the finished steel actually comes out in coiled steel or structural steel such as I-beams, etc. And of course this stack here is from the reheat furnace. So The thing is, with modeling smoke, you got to remember there's such a thing as a prevailing wind, and make sure that all your wind is going the same direction. Now, the steam cloud in the background, those are cotton balls. I will streamline that a little bit later so it don't look so lumpy. And of course, the reason why it's going straight up is because of the heat. And there's the ore bridge right there. The prototype for that was Bethlehem Steel, and that straddles the, you can see where it goes into what is now the material yard. That's where the iron ore and limestone will be kept. And then you can see in the background with a striped stack, that is the car dumper building, okay? So, whether or not that I'm able to this viewpoint, while we listen to some Brazilian music. And I'm going to have to try, I can't get over on the other side to do the same thing. Well, maybe I can. Okay, now let's try it. And if you're looking down from the ore bridge, this is the view that you'll be getting. Right from the walkway here, okay? Now let's go down the ore bridge a minute. Looking through here. And drop the camera. But here's kind of a walking view through here. The coal is coffee grounds, okay? So let's move over here. Now in this view here, this is known as the coke dock, and so there's a conveyor right up here, so this drops over here and then it goes up there and eventually goes over there, okay? Hope I'm not panning too fast. So this is the complete, as it stands now, Spring Lake Iron and Steel Charles Wesley Works Complex 1. So I hope that you find this informative. I try to tell you how I built it. And this is what you can do really with a compact space